Hello guys, what's up? For today's video, I will be your delivery helper. Yes, I am from Philippines but currently working in Dubai as a sales merchandiser. But the thing is, I am a delivery helper for the meantime because our delivery helper is on vacation. Yes guys, so this is our warehouse from my company. Yeah, this is our product. Yes, a lot of item that we have because more on we are supplying export item from different countries. Yes, we are a supplier of like pasta sauce, dried mango, and any kind of sauce that we have, pickles as well. This is our warehouse, guys, and it's a lot of stock that we have. So our office in Alcus, yes. So as you can see, our boss is from India, and as you know that Indian people are very one of the richest people here in UAE. Yes. So this company is Galang company. This owned by Filipino before, but my boss Indian is bought this company and now is currently the owner is from India, and the owner are rich people in India. Yes, absolutely. So now guys, we already done and we are going to deliver our item to the customer. So now we are on the way going to our customer to supply our product. And then here we are while we are going to our customer. So this is my driver, by the way. This is Kumar from Nepal. He's very good in driving and he's experienced driving in UAE for almost 15 years, and he's already master how to drive a big truck also. So now we are already here guys in our area. So our delivery customer for today is Choi Tram. So here we are. So guys, we have GRB, which is near expiry item. So we need to clear out this one before they are receiving our item. So what we do is we need to clear this one and remove and return back to our company because this is near expiry item, and Choitram are returning this item to us. Guys, the item that returned from Choitram, which is GRB, so near expiry, it's already done, and now I'm putting on my van. So being a helper guys is very hardworking job, and you know it's hardworking job. And you know what, I've been go with my driver for like how many days, and you know after work it's paining my back, a lot of pain during bedtime because due to hard working you are lifting heavy weight. That's why I feel pain during bedtime or sleeping time. And guys, our next delivery is we need to supply noodles from this restaurant, and of course I see bread from there and looks so delicious, so I bought bread for us and we snack first before we go to our next destination. So the bread are so delicious guys. Let's eat. Very good. Good, tasty.
Sometimes too much customer here.
Yeah.
Very good taste, no?
Yeah. One bread 350.
this one the fresh they making morning.
This one with ube and cheese. So only in the
So we are almost done to our snack with Kumar, our delivery driver. Yes. So now we are going to next delivery in Al Awir. Yes. So guys, this is import item. So we supply from here, and this big truck they are exporting this item to other country like Netherlands or in Iran, like that. So this is the product that they are ordering, white sauce. Yes, white sauce, Ragu white sauce from US, made in US. Yes. So we are unloading the item so that the customer are receive the goods. So guys, believe me, working as a delivery driver or helper is very difficult, because you know, same like this, you are lifting a heavy item, and you know what, every time you are doing like this, and back pain, you feel back pain when you are going home, especially you are going to sleep, you feel back pain. This job is very hard working. Yes. You know, I've been working also in Unicai before, my previous company, and I'm lifting heavy goods, and it's, you know, it's not good because very heavy, and you know, it's not good for us because your back is paining, and this is very hard work, guys. So now we almost done, and this is the goods that we transfer to the pallet, the white sauce, the Ragu white sauce from US. So this item will export to other country also. Thank you for watching, guys.